The question we have been asked here is, how will you use two identical glass prisms so that a narrow beam of white light incident on one prism emerges out of the second prism as white light? Draw and label the ray diagram. So this is one of the important diagrams. So I suggest that you have a close look at it. So this is the solution. When white light is passed through a solution, it splits into 7 constituent colors. Now, in order to ensure that white light comes out of second prism, we need to ensure that these 7 colors again converge into combine together so that we again obtain the white light. So splitting of white light into constituent color is called dispersion. If another identical prism is placed in inverted position in front of a prism, then dispersed colors obtained from first prism get recombined. As I said, they come together to produce white light. So this is the structure. First prism would be here, which leads to dispersion, and then another identical prism. This one is uh, placed in an inverted position, which again combines all those dispersed colors and leads to the production of what? White light.